Okay, welcome to Pixellab Environments. Introduction to Pixellab Environments. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you around the Pixellab environment, all the tools you need to work with, all the tools you need to interact with. So let's get started. We are going to start from this My Projects. This is the place that you can save your designs. If you are not through with this design, you can save them as projects, and then when you want to redesign it again, you can click on My Projects, then pick the design and continue to design it. So these are supposed to be my projects, the designs that I have not finished. Some of them are finished, but some of them are designs that I did not finish at that particular time. I had to save them as projects, then continue to design them again. That's why you see them, a lot of projects, a lot of designs here. All right, so that's the place. That is a place. It is not a place of final design, a final design. When you want to save your final design, you will not save it as projects, you save it to your gallery, or you save it right down to your gallery. Right after that, you see all these rectangular designs here, square designs. These are called templates. These are templates you can use, but I wouldn't advise you to use any of these templates. When you want to create your design, just start afresh. Yes. Now after that, you see this letter A. Letter A here is for text. This letter A is a text tool. Once you click on the letter A, you click on text, this plus icon, text, and edit. From there you can type text. You can type text, for instance, graphic design, and okay this is the text. So this letter A here is used to input text into your design. Now as this letter A, the text tool, is active, you can delete the text. You can also click on this delete and delete the text. See, delete icon will be active. You click and delete it. Now after that, we have the second icon here. Second icon, we have stickers. Once you click on the second icon, it will bring up other things. You have sticker, import, draw, shapes, bezier, and arrow. So these are tools that you also need to use to work in Pixellab. Like this sticker, you use it to add different stickers to your design, like whatever sticker that you like. Emojis, you may add emojis to your design. Okay, now after that, imports. The import tool is used to import files or images, graphic design resources. As you are designing in Pixellab, as you are creating designs in Pixellab, there are resources like things that you need to use to create beautiful, stunning designs. So most of these things, they are stored in your phone, in folders in your phone, maybe in your download folder, wherever you store them. So that is where you click on that import to go and import them. For instance, let's try and import one background or one graphics image resource. Okay, so you see I downloaded this image, the image of this bird, and now I use the import tool. Look at the import tool. I use the import tool to import this bird to Pixellab. So assuming I needed to use it to design, now look at it here, it is here. So once you just click it, you have other tools activated. Once you click on the body of the Pixellab, you return back to where you were. All right, the next, let's delete this. You click on it and choose delete. The next tool there is draw. Click on here. You can draw a lot of things. You can use it to, you create signature or draw whatever you want to draw. You can, use pick any color. Pick color to draw. Pick a color to draw. There's pen size. You can increase the size. Look at the size. You can increase it. This can help you when you are creating your design. Smoothness, fill inside, dash inside. You want it to be dash inside. Look at it. Look at the effects. Neon effects. Look at the effects too. So these are things that you need. Blur radius, you can blur it, make it blur. Don't know if you are seeing it. Okay, let me go to that fill inside. Let's see. Let's increase the pen size so that we can see fill inside. You can see how it is. Dash line, you see, dash line. Neon effects. The neon effect, it blurs the edges of that. You can pick any color. Remember, you can pick any of this color. Look at it. So you can use this in your design. Blur radius, increase the blur radius. Look at what is going to happen. So you can use any of this in your design while designing. Right now, the next thing is shape. You will need shapes a lot. You need to use shapes a lot in your graphics design. So once you click on the shape tool, you see this place. Click, and there are a lot of shapes here. From square, circle, half circle, arrow, triangle, yes, right angle, triangle, star, hearts, pentagon, and so on and so forth. Call outs you used to create what quote somebody is talking. This, look at this, look at this, look at this, something like this. These are shapes. You can use it in your design. So a lot of shapes here. You will need them in the course of design. You need some of these shapes. Now, away from that is bezier. Now, this bezier is used to also create shape, but shapes with lines, with nodes. Is bezier. You understand more of the bezier, how to work with bezier tool. The next one is arrow. Whatever type of arrow you need in the course of your design, you may need to include arrow in your design. So you can pick any of this arrow that you like. For instance, this one, you just pick it. Okay, it is there already. Let's do it again. Arrow, you just change it, the arrow you need, kind of arrow you like. In end of arrow size, you can choose the end arrow size. You can opacity, color, fill color, whether gradients or normal color. Just stroke width, opacity of the stroke, color of the stroke. You can see it. So these are things that you need to use while creating your designs. All right, so the next one is this background icon. This icon that looks like double square. This one has to do with the background, the main background of this Pixellab. Once you click that, the first thing that you see is color. You can use it to change the color of the background. Look at it. The color is in gradient right now. Let me pick this one, just color. So you can use it to change the color of the background. And the second one is transparent. If you create a design, for instance, when you want to create a logo that you need to have a transparent background, you use this image size. You use this to size your image. In the course of this lesson class, you know how to size your design. It will not always be this square that you have here. Sometimes you have different size depending on the type of graphics that you are designing. Now this one is image. There are inbuilt images here. If you like to use them, there's no problem, but I don't make use of them. There are inbuilt images here which you can use. I don't think I've used them before, but if you choose to, there's no problem. Now, from gallery, image from gallery, you click on this. It will still take you to download, take you to your phone gallery, phone storage, where you can bring out remember the kind of image you bring out, the size of this, the background will take the size of the image you are bringing. So that is it. Then from camera, if you want to snap, as your snap, you just take, okay, that's it. Now the last one here is this magic stick here. You have rotate. You can rotate the screen. You can rotate it. Now vignette. Look at the effect of vignette. Noise, increase or decrease noise. Stripes, you can bring in this during your design. Brightness, right, is bright or dark. Contrast, remember you can only do this if you are using the background to design. You're designing right from background, not importing a background solid color background to use. Hue, can use it, saturation. All right, so the next thing is, let's delete this. Let's go on top, this plus icon. You can use it to input text, current dates, sticker, shapes, images from gallery, and draw. Now this save icon, you can use it to save. Remember when we started, I said you can save as projects. So if you want to save this as project now, that means you are not through with this design. Maybe you want to save it and design it again some other time, you can click there and type the name of the design and save. But if you are through with the design, you choose save as image, and then you save it. This one is to share. Once you finish, you can click there and share. This is quotes, where you have a lot of quotes, from motivational quotes, success quote, friendship, happiness quotes inside here. This 3 ellipse tool is, you can use it to pick image from gallery, pick image from camera, export image. You use it to size. The most important thing here is sizing your image, sizing your design. The next thing is undo. The next thing is undo the undo icon. Use it to undo. The next one we have here is zoom tool. Look at the zoom tool. Can use to zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. The next one is grid. Use it to show the grid. You can see the grid here. If you want to add another one, you can add. See the grid added here. And this one is layer. This is a very important tool that you'll be using to see your layers. You know, Pixellab creates designs in layers. Create designs in layers. If you bring in any other thing now, it will be in layer. So this is Pixellab environments. These are the tools that you need to use them to work in Pixellab. So in the course of working here, in the course of the class, you learn more about these tools. For now, this is where we are going to stop. Bye bye.